Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect quilt blocks. First, ensure all your quilt blocks are precisely trimmed to the same dimensions. This critical step guarantees your seams will align perfectly, preventing any wonky edges later on. Use a sharp rotary cutter and a reliable quilting ruler for accuracy. Lay out your blocks on a design wall or floor to visualize your pattern and arrange them into rows or sections before you begin sewing. Now, let's start sewing. Take two adjacent blocks and place them right sides together. Stitch them with a consistent 1/4 inch seam allowance. This precise measurement is crucial for accurate block alignment. After sewing, press your seams. You can press them open for less bulk or to one side. If pressing to one side, alternate the direction for each row to help seams nest neatly when joining rows. Once you have several rows of blocks, it's time to join them. Place two rows right sides together, carefully aligning all seam intersections. Use pins generously at these points to prevent shifting. Stitch these rows together using that same 1/4 inch seam allowance. Take your time to ensure all your seams match up perfectly. This attention to detail will result in a beautifully cohesive quilt top with crisp, straight lines. As you near completion, give your quilt top a final inspection. Trim any stray threads and square up the entire piece if needed, ensuring all corners are 90 degrees. Adding a border can beautifully frame your design and provide additional stability to the edges. Remember, quilting is a journey of creativity and patience. Celebrate your progress as your individual blocks come together to form a stunning, unified quilt top.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.